Good morning, children. How are you all? Even I am also good. Thank you. And welcome back to your mathematics class. Okay. And today's topic is rounding of the numbers. What is this rounding of the numbers? Suppose you went to a function. Okay. So marriage or any function is made. Okay. You went to a function. And after coming back from the function, suppose in your family any one of you asked how many members have attended for the function, means what you will say? Exact number do you say? No. Suppose 200, 300. As we don't know the number of people who attended the function exactly, right? So in that case, how you will say? Approximately 200, 250, 300, like that you will say. Yes or no? It is nothing much. Suppose there are 237 people have attended, means as you don't know, so generally what you will say? Approximately 200 students have maybe attended, 200 people may have attended, like that you will say. Yes? So in the same way, here also, we are going to learn how to round off those numbers. How to round off those numbers. So the first one is nearest to tens. Nearest to 10. So we have to round off the number nearest to 10. So here I am taking one example. 89 okay. Now I want to round off this 89 to the nearest tens. When I am saying nearest tens, you have to consider up to tens. One is tens, so the whole number you have to consider. Is it clear? Now, as you people you are well known about the numbers, right? The order of the numbers you know, right? Now you tell me the 89 lies between what numbers? The 89 lies between what number? So, when you are considering the tens, as you all know that 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. Okay? Up to here, we will be having the tens numbers. Right? Now, 89. Now you see, this 89 lies in which range? Which is this 89 lies between 10 to 20 or 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Where it lies? 89 lies between 80 and 90. So here you write down 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89 and 90. Clear? So always have to consider the 80 and 90 and in between number 85. Okay? What I am doing first, I am checking whether this number lies in between what? In which range? Is it from 10 to 20, 20 to 30 or else in which range it lies, that I am checking first. So as 89 lies between 80 and 90, so here I have written from 80 to 90 I have written all the numbers. Now you circle the 80, 90 and the middle one 85. Now you tell me this 89 is nearest to what? The 89 is nearest to what? So as this 89 is after 85 and this 89 is nearest to 90. So always when you are rounding off the numbers, you have to choose the nearest number. You have to choose the nearest number. So all the numbers which lies with after 85 means after 5. Like it may be 45, 55, 65, 75, whatever may be. The number which lies after 5 and including 5 will always will be rounded off to the next tens number. Next tens number. So here 89 is it. So as 89 is after 85 you will get 89 and this 89 is nearest to 90. So I can say that this 89 is rounded off to 90. Is my point here? Suppose here I have taken 87. Now tell me, is 87 is nearest to 80 or nearest to 90? One more thing, when you are rounding off, you have to choose only the tens. Only the values with the zeros only. You should not consider these. should not consider all these numbers. You always have to go with the zeros. 80s, 90s, 90s, 100s, 10s, 20s, 20s, 30s, 30s, 40s. Like that only you have to consider. Don't take that 85 is nearest to 84, 86 is nearest to 87. Don't consider like that. Is it clear? Now here 87 is there. So 87 is nearest to 90 or nearest to 80? So it is nearest to 90. So 87 is rounded off to 90. Suppose here I have taken 83. Okay. So 83 is nearest to 80 or nearest to 90? 83 is nearest to 80. So this 83 is rounded off to 80. So the numbers which lies before 5 always will be rounded off to your 80. And the numbers which arise after 5 will be rounded off to your 90. Then how to write this? How to write this? So here 89 is 89 lies between 80 and 89 lies between 80 and 90. 89 is nearest to 90. So 89 is rounded off to 90. So this is how we write. When a question is given to round off the number, how you have to write? First you have to check if this number lies in which range. Okay, these are the ranges between 10 to 20, 22, 30, these are the ranges. So you have to check if this 89 lies between which numbers. So 89 always comes under 80 and 90. So you have to write the numbers from 80 to 90. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. And after this you just circle the 90 and 80 and in between the 85. 85 will be the number which is in between 80 and 90. So you always circle the 85. In the same way 75, 55, 65 like that. Okay. Now you have to see is this 89 is after 5 or else before 5. So always this 9 comes after 5. So this 89 is nearest to 90. So it is rounded off to 90. So how to write in the written form is 89 lies between 80 and 90. 89 is nearest to 90. 89 is rounded off to 90. So this is how you round off the number nearest to tens. Okay. So it is easy as it is given only the 2-digit number, tens number given. So it is easy for you to write. Suppose the number is a 3-digit number or if it is a 4-digit number, then how to write? That also missing out. So here I am taking. So here I am considering one number which is a 3-digit number. 215 I have taken. Okay. 215 is a 3-digit number. Now I want to round off this to the nearest tens. Nearest tens. Listen carefully this one. You have to round off this 250 to the nearest tens. As I said before, when it is asked to nearest tens, you have to take only up to tens place. So here ones, tens, hundreds. Right? Now, as it is asked nearest to tens, so you have to take up to tens place only. That is, you have to consider only the 50. Only the 15 you have to consider. Then what about 2 means? 2 will remains as it is. 2 will remains as it is. It is asked to nearest to tens now, so you have to consider up to tens place only. 50. Now only for 15 you have to round it off. Now, as I said, 10 to 20, 22, 30 and so on. Now tell me, is 15 lies in between 10 to 20 or 20 to 30? Yes, 15 lies between 20 to 10 to 20. So write down from 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20 I have written. Okay. Now as I said, you have to circle 10, 20 and 50. This is common for all the numbers. You have to circle the both the ends of the numbers and in between number you have to circle. Now you have to round off this 50. So as I say, 5 and 5 after numbers will be rounded off to the next tens number. So as 15 is nearest to 20. So see, the same 15 is nearest to 10. Yes, but in this we have to take the after number. Always you have to consider, you have to go with the next tens number. So as 15 is nearest to 20. So 15 is rounded off to 20. Even in your marks sheet, suppose if you are getting 10 and half or 19 and half marks you are getting. 19 and half means what? 19.5. 19 and half is nothing but 19.5. So what your teacher will do? That 19 and half will be rounded off to 20. Right? That 19 and half will be rounded off to your 20. So the 5 and after 5 numbers will be rounded off to your next tens number. So this 15 is nearest to 20 and 15 is rounded off to your 20. So how to write here? Okay. So you have to consider only the tens place. You leave about the 2. Okay. Now 15 lies between 10 and 20. And 15 is nearest. 15 is nearest to 20. 15 is nearest to 20. Up to here the same. Now what you have to write? At the end we are writing the conclusion. So the actual number is what? 250. Now you have to take the 250. 250 is rounded off to 215 is rounded off to 220. Now here you can see the 2 is remained same. 2 is, I have written same the 2. What I have done here? The only the tens place I have rounded off. So the 15 is rounded off to what? 20. So in place of 15 I have written the 20. Is it clear, children? Again I am explaining you, when a 3-digit number or a 4-digit number is given, how to round it off nearest to tens means always you have to consider up to tens only. Maybe the number of digits may be more, but you have to take only the tens place. Now tens place is 15. Now where this 15 lies, you have to check. Okay. So the 15 lies in between 10 and 20. Now start writing the numbers from 10 to 20. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now first thing is you have to round off the tens, 20 and the middle number 15. Okay. Now you have to check, is this 15 is nearest to 20 or nearest to 10. So it is nearest to 20 as well as it is nearest to 10. But the thing is, you have to consider the 15 which is nearest to 20 only. So 15 lies between 10 and 20. 15 is nearest to 20. Now when I am writing the conclusion, simply don't leave up to here only. Why? Because the actual number is 215. So with this only you have to conclude. So as 215 is rounded off to 220. So in place of 15 I am writing 20 and the 2 will be remains same. Is it clear, children? Now, so this is the case where a 3-digit number is given. Suppose a 4-digit number is given. Then how? The same you have to follow. The same method you have to follow. How many number of digits it may consist? Suppose, yes, my number is 4863. Now I want to round it off nearest to 10. Now start writing the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay. So it is asked to nearest to tens only. So you just underline up to tens only. So what is the number? 63. Now where this 63 lies? Now start writing your ranges. These are the ranges. Okay. 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. Now this 63 where 66, 67, 68, 69 and 70. Okay. Now as I said, you circle the 60, 70 in between 65. Now you check. Is this 63 is before 65 or after 65? It is before 65. So where it is? Here it is. So our 63 is nearest to 60. Again I am repeating, don't take in between numbers. Maybe 63 is nearest to 62, nearest to 64, but you should not consider these. You should not consider in between numbers. Always you have to go with the zeros only. Tens, here also 10, 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s. Like that only you have to consider. So as 63 is nearest to 60. So it is rounded off to your 60. So here write down. 63 lies between 60 and 70. So 63 is rounded off. So 63 is nearest to 60. 63 is nearest to 60. But what is my number? This is my original number. Now you write it. So this is your confusion. 4863 is rounded off to. So in place of 63 you have to write 60 and the remaining two numbers will be as it is. So 4860. So is this clear, children? So this is how we round off the numbers up to the nearest tens. The number, it may consist of 4 digits, 5 digits, 6 digits. How many number of digits it may have? The thing is, whenever it is asked to nearest tens, you have to consider only the nearest tens up to tens digit only. And then you have to follow this process. I hope you people have understood. Now I will give you some problems based on this rounding of numbers. You try to simplify those in your notebook. And in the next class, we will discuss up to nearest hundreds. Okay? Now take down your notebooks and copy the homework. So round off the following numbers the nearest to the nearest 10. First one is 36, 487, 28. Okay. So already I have explained with the tens, hundreds, or thousands I have explained, and the same questions I am giving you. Okay, children. So this is your homework. Again I am reading. Round off the following numbers to the nearest tens. So once again you go through your video and try to simplify these three questions. The first one is 36, 487, and 1328. Okay, children, and we'll meet in the next class with the rounding of numbers to the nearest hundreds. We will learn in the next class. Okay, children. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.